Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh teman-teman semuanya. Kembali lagi ya di channel aku Tika Figone di California. Oke teman-teman semuanya, buat kalian yang baru nonton video aku, jangan lupa di subscribe ya, biar aku makin semangat buat upload video selanjutnya. Oke, langsung saja nih teman-teman semuanya, aku ngajakin anak aku Skylar, suami, dan tentunya ada nenek mertuaku juga. Kita ke museum kali ini ya teman-teman. Mumpung kita itu punya kartu member, jadinya kita itu bisa ngajakin anak aku ini ke museum lagi. Karena kalau masuknya per hari itu di museum itu kita bayarnya $18. Karena aku member, aku cuman bayar $100 buat 1 tahun. Jadi kamu boleh kapan saja mau datang ke sana gitu teman-teman. Oke, di dalam ini, museum ini ada tamannya, terus ada permainan playgroundnya juga, dan ada burung kayak gini, dan ada juga nanti kupu-kupu teman-teman. Dan ada juga nanti sejarah, peninggalan-peninggalan sejarah Egypt. Cuman kita nggak bisa masuk di dalam karena di dalam dindingnya itu ada tulisan dilarang merekam, tidak boleh merekam apapun. Karena kan buat masuknya bayar kali ya, maka dari itu nggak boleh ngerekam apapun gitu loh teman-teman semuanya. Oke, langsung saja ya teman-teman nonton videonya. Selamat menonton dan jangan lupa di subscribe.
Hi. Hi.
Oh
my gosh.
Mama.
Okay.
Hi. Oh, really?
Yeah, 3 times.
Hi.
It's French, I think. Hi. Oh my gosh, that's pretty, isn't it? Hello, you silly. Hello, purple.
Hi.
What a cool swing. Oh, you're going really high.
I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah, but want to go the big one there? Is there is a shade there, and the big one.
I'm going to baby
Yeah. Like a monkey. Cute. Done? Okay. You climb up there. One day. Be careful. Go ahead. Skylar. Yeah.
What are you doing then?
All right. Just wait right there.
Come on.
The boat coming. There we go. Skylar. Sky, do you like here, Sky? Just wait right here. That's all right, no problem.
Take it off.
No, we cannot take off. Let's get it, come on.
Oh,
Raccoons are often seen scurrying across your yard. They're actually incredible climbers. Raccoons take refuge high up in trees, where they build nests in old cavities to raise their young. They use their strong, flexible front feet and bushy tail to climb, jump, and stand up the trees like a gold medalist. And their uniquely rotating back feet make them one of the few mammals who can actually climb down trees face first. Watch his feet turn, folks. And raccoons have an incredible sense of touch. Yeah, and while most people think they're washing their food, they're actually not.
what do they do?
No, it's like us reading Braille. They use their front feet to get a mental image of the object. They use those dexterous digits to manipulate and open up some of the most complex containers and labs. Short of purchase wildlife safe garbage cans, so this mischievous mess maker can use their natural abilities right where they belong. And there he goes. That is Mischief, our terrific trash panda. Spot just one. You see, isolated species have a challenging life with limited resources. One change to their environment can spell disaster to the entire population. As a matter of fact, in 2006, we lost 50% of their entire population due to West Nile virus. Yeah, so we're really lucky and privileged to get a chance to see one here today. His name is Ruckus. He's a yellow-billed magpie. Right over, what is that?
What is that?
There's the little skunk.
That's not funny. And it's not a bird, and it's definitely not a magpie. That, folks, was a western spotted skunk, and they're not even found down here in the valley. They're found way up in the mountains.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure what stinky shenanigans. Yell it out as loudly as we can and see if teamwork makes the dream work. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Yep.
You
That's
know,
what was in
magpies
that
live in
cage.
large family groups with a complex social system. Scouts work together. Yeah, they all work together to scare off large predators like hawks, eagles, and even cats. They sit atop trees and then warn others when danger is near. And the group will mob the predator with devastating dive bombs from above. You know, these guys, just like their larger cousins, the ravens, they're attracted to shiny objects and are responsible for stealing over $214 million in loose change every single year. Yeah, imagine what we could do with all of that money. And there he goes. That is Ruckus, our little entrepreneur.
Thousand species of birds found throughout the world. And although they all have a beak, feet, and feathers, each is unique for their survival. Some have long, pointed beaks for spearing, while others have curved, sharp ones for tearing. I mean, you wouldn't want to climb through the rainforest with a duck's bill, but this next bird is perfect feet and beak for maneuvering through her jungle home. This is Monroe, our umbrella cockatoo. She's coming, guys, don't you worry. She's a little bit of a diva, so she wants to make everybody hang out and wait for her to join us on stage. When she comes on out, you guys are gonna notice how white her feathers are. Here she comes, folks. Let's give it up for Monroe, our umbrella cockatoo. Cockatoos have these all-white feathers, and they use that to confuse predators. This disruptive camouflage makes it so a predator can no longer tell where one bird starts and another bird stops. And the cockatoo gets to live another day. Cockatoos can support their entire body weight using just that big, burly beak. Look at her go, folks. Ripping into thick-skinned fruit, cracking open hard nuts is an easy task. They use their feet, just like our thumbs, for grasping and climbing. And there she goes, our white wonder. Yay. Give her a round of applause. She did great. The colors of nature are usually pale greens, tans, and browns. But this is Rongi, our red-crested Turako.
Oh, wow.
Turacos live high up in the canopy of the rainforest. But being poor flyers, they rely on their unique feet to run and hop along the branches. The color from most birds comes from structural pigmentation. So all we see is the reflection off the feathers. But Turacos actually have true pigmentation. It's so unique to Turacos, created from a copper substance in their body, that red you just saw in his wings is actually called turisin. To say hi. Rongi, good job, buddy.
Yeah.
They use this shortened beak to eat poisonous berries with absolutely no ill effect, dropping the seeds as they go. And that was right. And I swear I said prickly protection. I think that was a little more like our North American porcupine.
Ooh,
there she comes. Porcupines were once considered pests because they destroy trees. They use their very large rodent-like chisel teeth laced with iron to destroy through the bark to get the cambium layer underneath.
Oh my, look at that.
She's using these tree hook claws that allow her to cling to the trees for days at a time. And although they are awake at night, they actually have pretty poor eyesight. So Spike uses these long golden guard hairs to feel her way through the forest. Porcupines are very gentle creatures, but Spook One and their superhero shield springs into action. With over 30,000 quills, they're actually pretty protected, and we're all gonna wave goodbye to Spike as she makes her way off stage, find another tree. She's going at the lightning speed of a porcupine.
Yes.
She's actually, as she takes her time, get another good look. I'm sure you all know, porcupines can't shoot those 30
Goose diseases, often underappreciated. It's our handsome black vulture, Ned.
Ned?
There we go.
Oh my goodness, look at him.
Vultures are the single most important scavenger in the world. It's their job to keep the environment clean and disease-free. Yeah, but sadly, in danger of extinction. You see, vultures, they have the ability to digest some of the most rotten foods, containing things like botulism and anthrax. But actually, they prefer freshly dead carcasses. Now, so many of them are in so much trouble because poachers. See, poachers only eat the horns of the animals they kill, leaving the rest behind. Vultures quickly emerge to clean up the remains. To avoid being detected, these guys are actually putting out poisoned meat, and that is killing tens of thousands of vultures every single year. And sadly, it is concealing their crimes. Luckily, through conservation methods, we have brought 3 species back to the brink of extinction. But it's only with our continued appreciation that we can keep them soaring high. You know what? These guys are long-lived birds, and without them, we wouldn't be healthy. So let's give it up for our healthcare.
Done.
Nope. Looks like Ned needed 2 assistants today, so we're going to talk a little bit more about the training that we do here at Turtle Bay.
Okay.
Turtle Bay focuses...
Kara coming out any moment
in
now.
that container.
Difficulties, guys.
There you go.
Here she is.
Oh, how
So like I
pretty.
said, Carrie Kara are a member of the Falcon.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
They
beautiful.
look more like a chicken, a vulture, and a hawk, all rolled into one. Carrie Karas use those long legs to walk along the ground and turn over rocks, leaves, and other debris to find some of their favorite foods. But today, she is going to strut on over. You're going to strut on over. There we go. And let's see if we can be not so distracted on stage by finding food that was dropped before.
Yeah.
That's okay. Hey, Swearta. Swearta, we're looking for blocks right over here. I know.
It's almost over.
I know. Right over there. What do you think? You know what color we're looking for? Can you find it? There it is.
Purple.
Okay. Hold on now. There was. All right.
Looks good.
Welcome to our stage here. And what's your name? River? Hi, River. All right, everyone say hi, River.
Hi, River.
Say hi back. There you go. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand you these blocks. Remember, she's looking for this one. You're going to put it right over in that area on stage, okay? You can stack them. Yeah, that's a great strategy. You can stack them, spread them out, put them right next to each other. Whatever you do, let's see if you can confuse our crested curator today. I see some thought process going into this. Yeah, we're really going to try to trigger. Remember, it's not an Easter egg hunt, so we're not going to hide them. It's just somewhere over on this part of stage. All right, let's see if she finds it over there. Okay, so River, you're going to come stand right over here with me, all right? So we are going to let Swearta back out. As she comes out, I want you to take a look at the beautiful coloration. You see that black crest on the top of her head?
Really pretty, isn't
That is actually used to communicate with other birds. Hey, Swearta, you want to stay right out here with us? Swearta. Yeah, I think we found something over in the wing there. Oh, yeah, that looks delicious. Looks like she found herself a little frog. Good job, Swearta. What a good huntress, right?
Yes.
All right. Well, Swearta, I know we got a little distracted there by finding fun things, but again, we have a 30-minute show. So why don't you go to those blocks and try to find the right color? Okay, yeah, that frog is very distracting, huh? There we go. We're thinking about it now. I think you tricked her with the frog. Did you put the frog in there for her? No? Are you sure about that? No? All right. Well, Swearta, you gotta go find the blocks. We're thinking about it. It's a warm day on stage. Swearta, I'm gonna give you a small hint. Yeah. All right. So she uses that crest to communicate. So I better not see anyone out there telling her where those blocks are. Wow, she passed right by them.
Yeah.
She really, either you're really good at tricking her, or she's just not as interested in this today. What do you think, Swearta? There you go.
Oh,
there we go. Right to the
Look
color
at that.
purple.
Yeah.
Whoa. Thank you, Swearta. You did a great job, River. I think you almost stumped her today.
Yeah.
But why don't you go ahead and go take a seat back with your family?
Good
And let's give it up for River and for Swearta for that colorful demonstration.
Good job, River.
Now the animal coming out next has some of the most
Oh,
What is it?
American badger.
that's cute, huh?
Now everything about a badger's
That's a
body
badger.
is for digging.
Badger.
Their sense of smell is up to 800 times better than ours. And they use that super sniffer to track rodents deep underground. Yeah, it looks like your kiddo might have had a little bit of ice in there and you're all wet now, huh, Digger? You look like just like a wet dog.
Oh, yeah.
Wet badger.
Now they have a short, squat body that allows them to apparently pancake in the ground.